Okay, right. Well, good morning, people, and welcome to Phil's workshop. Now then, we got quite a bit of new equipment. This is just a test now to find out if stuff is marrying together. We've got a new system on the head of the camera, and that is the YT, if I get in there you go, YT 260 remote control pan tilt. And we've also got a new microphone system, wireless, so I'm not actually coupled up to the camera anymore. Now, as to whether or not this is working, I don't know, so I'm just doing, this is just a test, and then we'll do a proper one in a minute. But if it is working, then this can go straight out. Now, this is not an expensive job at all for this camera tilt. It was only £42. But for what I use it for my small shed, it's going to be ideal. So to give you an idea, as you can see, that's focused on me now. So if I go down, you can see that's coming down far enough. Now that should be ideal for if I'm working on anything here, you can see it okay. So I'll just pan it around. Let me just pick that up a little bit. Up we come, come on. That's it. There you go. Right. Okay, that's taking you at one side of the shed. See, dependent on where this is as well is dependent on how much water turn I've got. It's not fantastic. It's not a 360, but I don't want a 360. I don't need it in the shed. So that's going off my ugly mush. And there you can see the outside of the shed there. So if I bring that back just a fraction. Now, where you can see there, right, that is what I'm currently working on at the moment. If I shift these out of the way while we're gassing, this is going to be my new reinvented what's the name, router table. It used to be on the old one, but because I've changed the router table now, obviously I've got to upgrade it. So I'm just utilising whatever's there. What's going to go in here, in this area, is it's going to be a drawer in there, hence the reason for those and those there. They're all prepped and ready to go, and then I've got a 12 millimeter, yeah, it is 12 mil piece to go on the top of there. So that's what we're up to at the moment. So if I, wrong way, bring it back around again towards my ugly mush. I shall get used to this eventually, folks. But well, up to now, I'm bloody well chuffed with this. You know, I really am. For me, for my little channel, it's a whole new game changer, to say the least. I don't know what effect it's going to have on other people until I actually get it out there. So, anyway, for this one, for now, right, I'm going to cut this one loose now, and then see what it turns out like. So, we'll see. Thank you.